ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदां। कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Ram
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare।
Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Bolo Narayan Narayan. I am Narada Muni. I am the son of Lord Brahma. I am always in bliss because I keep chanting the names of Lord Hari. In my previous birth, I was the son of a maid servant, but I got the good opportunity to serve the devotees and I was able to develop the taste for Harinam. Because of that, in this birth, I appeared as Narada Muni. Bhagavate Vasudevaya. I am Krishna Dvaipayana Vyasa and I have compiled all the Vedic texts in the form of Vedas, Smritis, Puranas, Upanishad, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Many people are suffering today because of the lack of guidance in their lives. Please read the scriptures and practice the teachings that I have laid down for all of you, and you will all be able to lead a very happy and a content life.
Narayana, it is only through me that all the living entities survive and satisfy their needs. But today, the same people who survive because of me are destroying the world. I have provided for them to satisfy their need. If you all want to lead a peaceful and healthy life, please protect the world, protect the nature I have given you by using my natural products and living harmoniously with all the other living beings. Jai Bhumi Devi ki Jai.
I am Brahma, the creator of countless universes. I consider all of you my children, and just like how a parent becomes sad seeing their children suffering, I am also sad to see you all suffer due to different problems that you are all facing because of your karma. Please chant the names of my Lord. Hello Hanuman ki Jai Shri Ram. To anyone who chants the Rama's name always, there is nothing in the world more sweeter than the name of Lord Rama and the glories of Lord Rama. Please read the Ramayana, the Mahabharata and the Bhagavad Gita and always chant the name of Lord Rama.
Vyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhi Bhavatu Me Sada Padma Patra Visalakshi Padma Kesara Vardhini Nityam Padmalayam Devi Saman Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Bharati Pune Suvimbhavana.
Hare Krishna. I am the son of Lord Shiva, Ganesha. I help in removing obstacles both materially and spiritually. I also give intelligence. Every ritual starts by performing my puja. I obtain this capability only because I hold the lotus feet of Lord Hari on my tusk and thereby offering my pranam to Lord Hari. I request all of you to also offer your pranam to Lord Hari at your home and temple always, as that gives us the strength to remove all the obstacles in our life. Hare Krishna. Nothing is more dear to me than the names of Lord Ram and those who chant it. If you want to please me and get my blessings, please chant the names of Lord Ram. In Kasi, when people leave their bodies, I personally come and chant the name of Lord Ram in their ears, and that person attains mukti. Such is the power of the name of Lord Ram. In Ram Leela, I come as Hanuman to serve Lord Ram. Please chant the names of Lord Ram. Hare Krishna.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane.
I am Balaram, also called as Dauji. I am the elder brother of Krishna and the son of Vasudeva and Rohini. Today is a very special day because it is the day when my brother Krishna will appear. I request all of you to prepare a grand welcome to my little brother Krishna and celebrate his appearance with great joy. Serving Krishna is the Krishna. I am Arjuna, one of the 5 Pandavas. And in the Mahabharata war, Krishna was my charioteer, and only because of Krishna we were able to win the Mahabharata war. In our life we faced many difficulties, but we were fortunate to have Krishna with us always to save us, as we are his devotees and followed the path of Dharma at all times. Lord Krishna's instruction of Dharma is present in the Bhagavad Gita, and I assure you that anybody who reads the Bhagavad Gita and follows the principles of Dharma, Krishna will be always there to protect you. I request all of you to please read the Bhagavad Gita. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहते स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मोदचेतः यच्छेयसन्नितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं चारिणां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
In this shloka, we can see that Arjuna completely submits himself unto the lotus feet of Krishna and requests him to accept him as his disciple, to bestow divine knowledge so that he can be relieved from all the sufferings he was facing during the Mahabharata war. This is the divine sight of Krishna accepting Arjuna as his disciple and thus instructing the Bhagavad Gita to him. The one who prepares the surroundings and the environment for Krishna to perform his Leela. She appears as Yogamaya as well as Purnamasi Devi, who enables many Leelas of Krishna to take place in Vrindavan. If we all want to serve Krishna eternally and become dear to him, we must pay our obeisances, and we have to request Vrinda Devi to kindly bestow her mercy so that we can serve Krishna always and Krishna can reside in the heart of our Vrindavan. Hare Krishna.
देवी की जय, तुलसी महारानी की जय.
बृंदाय तुलसीदेव्याय प्रियाय केशव सच विष्णुपति प्रतिदेवी सच्चवते नमो नमः.
वृंदा देवी तुलसी महारानी की जय.
भीषणं भद्रं मृत्युर्मृत्युनमाम्यहं. श्री नृसिंह जय 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 नृसिंह. प्रह्लादेश जय पद्ममुखा पद्मप्रणगा. These were the prayers offered by Prahlad Maharaj when Lord Nrsimhadev appeared. And
ఈ బిడ్డను గోకులానికి చేర్చు, అక్కడ యశోదకు పుట్టిన ఆడబిడ్డని ఇక్కడికి తీసుకునిరా, కంసుడి కళ్ళకు గంతలు కప్పబడతాయి. నారాయణ నారాయణ.
అలాగే నారద మహర్షి, నీ అగ్ని శిరసావిస్తాను.
దేవుడి తలపై ఆదిశేషుడు గొడుగు పడతాడు.
నశించదు. ఆ 7వ శిశును నేనే స్వయంగా సంహరిస్తాను.
కానీ కృష్ణుడు అప్పుడే అవతరించాడని కంసుడికి తెలియదు. కృష్ణుడు అతని భక్తులను రక్షించడానికి కంసుడిని సంహరించి ధర్మాన్ని కాపాడుతాడు.
धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहं परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. श्री कृष्ण भगवान की.
young Brahmana named Vamanadev. Hari Bol. Shri Vamana Bhagavan ki Jai. Shri Vamanadev had appeared to put an end to the reign of Asuras over earth, and because Lord Prahlad Maharaj's grandson, who was Bali Maharaj, had taken the control over all the 14 planetary systems, and lot of adharmic activities were going on. So Lord Vamanadev had appeared to put an end to all those activities in the form of this young Brahmana, because Bali Maharaj was known for his charity, and when he would meet a Brahmana, he would never shy away from giving all his wealth and whatever the donations he could give to the Brahmana. So in the form of the Brahmana as Vamanadev, he had appeared, and he had asked that I want to Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. He had asked alms from Bali Maharaj. And when Bali Maharaj said, "You give me, I own these three planetary systems and 14 worlds. You ask me anything, I will give you." And Vamanadev just said, "Just give me 3 steps of land." And he says that you are such a small boy with such small feet. 3 steps would amount to nothing. But he says, "No, I am fine if you just give me the 3 steps of land which I am going to step on." And when Vamanadev appeared in the form of Trivikrama on the 3rd step, his leg had spanned over all the 14 planetary systems, and with that he had sent Bali Maharaj to the Patal Loka. And Vamandev promised that since you are my very dear devotee, I will be your Dwarapalka in Patal Loka.
एवं सततयुक्ताये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तं तेषां के योगवित्तमः श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यावेश्य मनो ये मां नित्ययुक्ता